Hi guys, today I'm gonna fix my daughter's nails. So this is nails actually over 6 weeks already. So what we're gonna do, first we need to remove the length, yeah? Of course, make sure they're on shorter, much shorter, and remove all products, especially the liftings. If you see any liftings, just remove it. Here only gel polish, so I'm removing very, very gently. Nearly touch the nail, just like you're working in the air. Just removing, yeah. I using carbide beads. This is green, medium coarse, conus shape. It's very good to use. It's very good quality bead. So make sure you clean everything. Please don't leave any product over there, because we have to prepare it before we're gonna apply new product. Yeah. So what we're gonna do next we need to remove using e-file. Sorry, just normal file, 180 degrees. Yeah. So turn around, make sure it's even. So I using my orange stick to push the cuticle. Then what I'm doing, I'm using e-file technique to remove my derbies and putting up my cuticle skin, yeah? So next, of course, dear, get drape and primer. Then I'm applying rubber base, no curl. We need the wet surface, yeah? Then I prepare my fibreglass. So I cut in amount what actually I need, yeah? And I place in the side, especially that side where it was break, yeah? Make sure it's wet surface. We not curl the layer of the base, yeah? Then I'm using my orange stick and make sure that is all in the gel. Then I fix it with my torch, just to fix it. That is the fixation, yeah? Now what I'm gonna do, now I need to find dual form, exact size for this shape of nail, yeah? Because we need to put close to cuticle, make sure it's all even. So my forms, I bought them from AliExpress. If you need a link, just ask me. I'm gonna send it to you. So now I checking what kind of, I already know what the sizes is, because I normally working with the dual form, because I love dual forms. Now we resized, and I taken my builder gel and just apply in the form exact amount and length what I actually need, yeah? So what I'm doing, I'm now attaching to the nail. Ask my daughter to fix it for me with torch or a cuticle area, curing like 1 minute. After I'm removing the form, look how it's look. It's already looks such a gorgeous nail. Now I need just to file it down the length with my file, 180 grids. Yeah, just corner, sides, everything. Just make sure that's even everywhere. Yeah, the size proper. Then I using my bead, e-file bead, and I removing any exceed gel if it's any, and under as well. So now I'm applying nude color, because my girl, she's not allowed in school wear any bright color. You can use any, yeah. And I, of course, I using my brush, working with cuticle area to make them even and closer. And I filing down little bit, like make like, you know, Photoshop. And now what you think? That is my result. I did little bit stickers as well there. Let me know, please. Love you all. Bye bye.